1957 Ford Ranchero here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Powered by a 312 V8 underneath the hood. Offenhauser intake manifold with 3 deuces on it. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, also equipped with power steering. As we take a look at the front chrome and the bumper, grille, a little custom pinstriping. Of course, the Ford hood ornament. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on spoked wheels, radial tires. Going with that lake pipe look. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this vehicle. Red with the bright work down the side. I do want to note there's some cracks in each side glass, so see that one right there. Windows also tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have on your vehicles. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist with transportation. So take a quick look at the bed there, dual exhaust. Take a look at the chrome in the back. Pinstriping continuing through to the tailgate. Once again, those pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, stick around to the end of the video and we will have a driving video with this vehicle so you kind of get a virtual ride with it, so to speak. See what it's like going down the road from the interior of the vehicle. Paint shows well. I mean, there's imperfection here or there, but overall shows well. Nice car for local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And side glass over here also. I want to point that out. Black vinyl interior. Appears to be free of rips, tears, holes. Aftermarket tack on the steering column. I have had the radio power up, but I did not get it to produce sound. Let's put it that way. Now you can see, here's the 312 under the hood, and the shifter here appears as though it has a Thunderbird powertrain. Take a look at the dash. The fuel gauge wasn't on. Tech noted that, and seller said price it accordingly. Tack is working. Headliner looks good. Door closes nicely. Sounded good too. All right, let's look around to the back. Just listen to what that V8 sounds like. Nothing crazy over the top of the exhaust. All right, let me pause this a second. We have to release this hood and get it open. So yeah, to get the hood and get the latch open, we need both hands. Hold on a second. Let's check out this engine bay. And remember, do a quick driving video. All right, get a look at the underside of the hood. There it is, a 312 Offenhauser. 3-deuce setup. Power steering. Cool looking engine bay. Slip around over here to the passenger side, take a peek. Battery disconnect down here for when it's in storage in between drives. Looks good. 1957 Ford Ranchero. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you check out all the still pictures. 507-386-1726, number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1957 Ford Ranchero in red. The black interior. Fuel gauge is reading empty. That probably does not work. The tachometer that is mounted to the column does function. Speedometer appears to read a little high. Temperature gauge does work. It's showing a little over a quarter of the way up the gauge. When braking, the car does pull to the left a little. This car starts and runs very nice. Traction radio is not hooked up. There is a JVC mounted down by the floor that does work. Wipers, blower motor, neither do function for me. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. Get a nice ride from this Ranchero. A 57 Ranchero is a car you don't see very many of. You do have some damage to the driver's side and passenger side door glass. Headliner looks nice. Bench seat is comfortable. Factory horn works. There's that pull when you brake. Takes the corners pretty well. Takes it as a 57 Ford would take them. Nice looking 1957 Ford Ranchero. Take a look at all the pictures and read the details of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.